This is a Bosch countertop dishwasher, and it's just filling up with water. There you are, it's working. I'm doing it on a quick wash, 28 minutes, just to test it out. I've got it connected to the pipes. So it gives you an idea of what it sounds like. I've only got a few items in there just to test it, really. It's not mine, it's somebody else's, and in fact I sold it. I could have sold it. So there you are. I thought I'd take a video of it before it goes. Let people know, the size and dimensions, and how it connects up, what the controls are. It's all very simple. You turn it on there, you select, you press start, it tells you like how long it's going to take, and there you are. I think it's complaining about salt there, possibly. We might need some salt, so. But that signal works, so at least that's something. Nice machine if you're compromised and you haven't got space in the home. Something like this would be a very nice thing to have. It's so bland. Its whiteness is so bland that it's the auto focus is not coping very well. But, as I say, this gives you an idea what it sounds like in normal running, and it might be useful to someone if you're contemplating getting one of these machines. Is it going to keep you awake at night if you put it on the timer? I don't think so. It's not making any more noise than a normal dishwasher, in my opinion. So, very nice machine.